Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to find the reverse of a Java array using the Intellij Ultimate IDE. First of all, we go to the src folder in the project and select New and select Java class. In it, I will type my name of the Java class as reverse of an array. As you can see, I have made a class named reverse of an array. In this, I will declare my main method first. After that, I will show you how to make an array in Java. First of all, it will be an int array. So we'll use int square brackets and the name of the array. Next thing, we will add some values, integer values to our array. First we will put 3, then 4, then 60, then 30, and then 57. 5 numbers, and we will close it using the semicolon. So in the next step, we will declare a for loop with int I equals array dot length minus 1. Have you got any idea why I declared the array length minus 1 as an int I? Well, of course, it's because the array starts with a 0 index. So we have to start with the 0 index. So we put array dot length minus 1 and initialize it with I in the first step. In the next step, we check if I is greater than or equals to 0. Well, why do you think that I made I greater than equals to 0? Well, to tell you the truth, it is because the array in a Java array, the indexes start from 0. So we check if the I value is equal to 0 and so on, and starting from 0, we check all the values till from 3, 4, 60, 30 to 57. After that, we make I decrement. It's an operator in Java. Next thing, I put the parentheses for the for loop. And that's it. We have typed the code to find the reverse of an Java array. Now let's print out our answers to check if we have done things correctly. So we put a S out and press tab button, and we print our array as array square brackets I. And that's it. Let's print our output and see the values that we want. So we press run reverse of an array dot main. As you can see, we have found our answer for this reverse of an array. So it starts with 57, 30, 60, 4 and 3. The array we put has become reversed in order, and we have got this output from our Java code. So that's it everyone. This is my first video on Java arrays. Let's see you in another video.